Hi, welcome to my channel, Sewing with Mary Rose. In this video, I am going to tell you what I think about this new to me 4-needle embroidery machine from Janome. I just picked it up a couple of weeks ago. I brought it into the shop as soon as I purchased it, which was a great deal. To buy these new, I believe they're around $5,200. I purchased this machine for around $2,000, and I was told it was a great deal from many different people, especially since it just sews out so nicely. The prior owner had the records, and it was just really nice to see how well they've taken care of this machine. So in this machine, it is my first multi-needle machine. It can hold up to 4 different colors, which made me really happy. It also has a bigger hoop area than what I was used to, so now I can sew lots of different things. I did find that on different material, the thread was breaking, so I fixed that by slowing down the speed. I was a little intimidated with threading so many needles, but really it was just a breeze. You just tie it, and I tied it a couple times, and then I tied it a different way to another part of the thread, which just made it hang on better and not come apart. And in here you could see I'm doing one of the designs. This design came built into the machine, and it's stitched out so beautifully. The stitching is just a dream come true. It just looks so nice. The flower in the center and the lettering was done by the sewing machine shop where I had this serviced. So if you are going to get a pre-owned, pre-loved used machine, be sure that you check out all of their records, make sure they've been taking care of it properly. Ask to watch something get stitched out before you purchase it, and always try to, get the best deal you can, a best fair deal that you can. And you want to make sure that it's a machine that you're going to be happy with for a while and not feel like you're going to outgrow in like a month or two. So those are my tips for you in getting a used machine. Again, I'm very happy with this machine. It even came with a magnetic mighty hoop that I have yet to use. In the future, I would like to get the mighty hoop hooper. I'm not sure what it's called exactly, but it looks like it's going to make hooping things a lot more simple. And if you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button, thumbs up for me, and let me know in the future if there are any other videos you would like to see. Thanks for watching.